In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Rust with 8 gigabytes of RAM. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, if you go over to the Rust Steam page and you scroll all the way down, you will be able to find the system requirements listed over here. You will notice that a minimum of 10 gigabytes of RAM is needed, what with the recommended being 16 gigabytes, so double what we're trying to run Rust with. There isn't much workaround to this. 10 gigabytes is the enforced minimum, and as of today's standards, it is expected that you have more than 8 gigabytes of RAM. If your PC is low-end but you still want to try to run Rust, something you might want to consider is to open up the Task Manager on your computer and look for tasks that are taking up a lot of memory or CPU and close them down. For example, as you can see over here, I have Adobe Premiere running on the background while trying to play Rust. So, something I could do is right-click on Adobe Premiere and end this task. You can also select Rust from here and make sure it is receiving full priority by going to the details, right-clicking Rust and setting the priority to high. Besides this, there is not much you can do to make Rust run better on 8 gigabytes. The purpose of this video is not to spam misinformation, but to let people be aware that 8 gigabytes is lower than intended by Rust, and you will encounter problems regardless of which methods you try to use to run Rust on your computer. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.